Hello and welcome to Cooking with Skye, where I'm making Bon Appetit's Buttermilk Pancakes. Yields 4 pancakes, and the ingredients start with 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Sift the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. As you'll see here, I realized my kosher salt was a little too big for the mesh of my strainer. No worries, I just poured it in. And for the wet ingredients, 1 egg, half a cup buttermilk, 1 tablespoon melted butter, which I melt in the microwave. Whisk it to combine. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix to combine. It's okay to leave a couple of lumps in there. Heat your skillet to medium or medium-low heat. Add 1/3 cup of batter to the middle of the skillet. This part is sped up by 4 times to show the process. Wait for some bubbles to appear in the middle and then go for the flip. Look at that. Top the pancake with some butter and maple syrup. All credit for this recipe goes to Bon Appetit. I'll link the recipe in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any feedback, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.